state government is doing whatever is best, and this is a big menace. There are various modus operandi for the drug traffickers. I think if we keep on collectively attacking the drugs cartel, we are going to win the war. Every state is working, and I think we have lot of things to do more. We have to do more, and we will do more.
So what is the main reason that kingpins are always moving freely, and police would not only...
Kingpins are not here. Kingpins are across the border. They may not be in India also. So they only push drugs through various agents, and sometimes they come with big quantity. Sometimes they come with a very small quantity. You cannot even detect. But 10 people travel together in a railway train to Delhi, and everybody has half a gram heroin in their pockets. It is very difficult. So they have all the modus operandi. They can even take it by walking also. If a person from Guwahati start walking to Shillong with her drugs in his pocket, it is very difficult to find out. So they deploy various methodology. Police has to work better than them, and this is the way how we operate. Act is not hardening, but as you know that even states like America today discussing how to stop drugs cartel, drugs menace. Yesterday, if you hear the Senate hearing, it was a central theme. So world is fighting. It is not that Assam and Meghalaya is fighting. World is fighting against the drugs traffickers, and it's a big business, and there will be many hidden actors in it. So it is a big thing, and it is not just like that. You went to a place, you raid it, and you finish this off. This is a long battle, and you have to carry on this battle. Still, I believe that Assam and Meghalaya, still drugs traffickers use it as a career. But they have other methodology also. They drop drugs through drone also. So even if you are not proximate to the Golden Triangle, they can still fly drones to any location. So it is a big game, and it is not that just by discussing between you and me it is going to be solved. Then if it would have been that easy, then it would have been resolved long back. But I believe this is a long battle, but you have to have your patience. You have to continue attack one after another. You have to keep on arresting them. You have to keep on seizing drugs so that the economy is broken. So it is a continuous and sustained effort you have to do.